Spring break is almost here. Whoop whoop! Here's what's happening this week in the libraries. Join us for tabletop time. Enjoy playing classic board games or discover a new favorite with guidance from the Media Library team. The fun will begin in 250H on March 6th from 3 to 5 p.m. This is a great opportunity to get your friends together and play some board games, so come check it out. The libraries are hosting family study hours on March 6th from 10:30 a.m. to noon. Come study at the libraries while your kids enjoy one of our new family kits with coloring pages, gifts, and more. If you need accommodations because of a disability to fully participate in this event, please contact Madison Brents at madison.brents@unt.edu. Please make the request as soon as possible to allow for sufficient time to arrange for the accommodation. Join the Media Library and Media Arts Department for a DocSpot screening of The Faithful, a documentary exploring the lasting devotion to Elvis, Princess Diana, and Pope John Paul II. Director Annie Berman spent 20 years capturing the deep connections between fans, memorabilia, and legacy. Stay after the film for a quick Q&A with the director. This DocSpot event is happening March 20th at 6:30 p.m. in room RTVF 184. We'll see you there. Did you know that spring break is exactly 10,080 minutes long? Also, did you know I've got some lip pics to share too? Did you know our exhibits at UNT libraries aren't just physical, they're digital too? Special Collections has a large selection of unique exhibits open to all of our users, which can be found at exhibits.library.unt.edu, so be sure to check them out. Do you have library questions? Well, we have answers. If you haven't yet, be sure to check out our Ask Us service. You can chat with us, text us, call us, or email us, and we'll do everything we can to get you the answers you need to your library questions. Visit our Ask Us landing page, library.unt.edu/askus, to get started. Lastly, did you know that UNT Libraries has access to over 700 databases to help you with your research? Whether you're searching Academic Search Complete or looking for a database that is a little bit more specific, we've got you covered. Please note that some databases may require you to be on campus, using your VPN, or to enter your EUID to access their materials. You can start your database search using the link below. Well, that's all the library news that we have for today, so be sure to check us out next week for more information. And as always, check out our library website at library.unt.edu for all the resources available to you. See ya!